First up, we are finally removing that ambulance seat because it was giving Grey's Anatomy, child. So Barry was taking the bolts from the side of that storage because it was very much so tightly screwed on. So you see him taking that out, and then from there you're gonna see him remove the chair completely, opening up that space. Next, we had to tackle all the cabinets in storage. Some came out super easy, others not so much, as you can see. Some of these cabinets are bolted or the whole wall frame is mounted onto the wall, so it makes it a bit harder to remove. So we are trying to save as many nuts and screws as possible. So when we start to build our own cabinets, we are basically repurposing all that we found in the ambulance. So we're looking at this slider, seeing how it operates, how we could use it in the future. The best thing is to definitely use what is already in the ambulance instead of going to Home Depot and continuously buying products you really don't need. Removing the storage with the AC compartment attached to it, we didn't know how hard that was going to be because obviously it's all compartmentalized into one space. So we just realized it was a little bit too big to operate on right now. So we just moved on to removing fiberglass off of the walls and the ceiling. This stuff is itchy. You got to make sure you're wearing a long sleeve shirt. You got to make sure you are masked up. So we go into the next day where we started removing more of it. We ended up getting that vacuum from Home Depot and it was a negative 100 out of 10. It did not work. So we just started using our hands and a comb, honestly, scratching things off of the wall and the ceiling and just pretty much cleaning up the space with the broom. Look at how open it is. It is amazing. Most of the cabinetry is out and now we will start tackling wiring. But this is just a little bit of a preview of what's going on. Of these tubes, I don't know the professional word for them, but that's what we're doing. Didn't really film today because it's a lot to do, but we'll keep you posted on the before and after. And Barry's just kind of figuring out what everything is attached to. So yeah, keep you posted. Where did you come from?
The 14 screw.